This is my drawing of a Thanksgiving Day turkey, and today I'm going to guide you through each of the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin along the top center page with the hat. We're going to start over on the left side. We want to draw a curve that comes down the middle, and we're going to bend that up towards the right. That's going to round this out and just pull that in. Now we're going to connect the ends with another curve. We're just going to follow that curve along the bottom and then back up. And then from these 2 points, we're going to angle the hat going up and then in. Let's start with the left. Going up with a straight line. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll close off the top with a curve. Now along the bottom, we're going to add that strap with buckle. So let's start back on the left. Draw that same curve going across. Leave a gap in the center and draw 2 lines. One coming down on the left and then one on the right. Let's trace this rectangle along the inside. Directly underneath the hat, we're going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. So let's start on the left. We're going to go all the way around and then back up toward the top. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and do the same thing, drawing that same size circle. In the center of each eye, let's draw a small black dot for the pupils. Let's go in between the eyes and draw a curve for the top of the beak. Start by going up and then down. And then on the ends, we're going to bend the beak, coming down and in towards a center point. On the right side of the beak, we're going to draw a curve going around, come down towards the bottom. It's going to round this out and then pull that up underneath the beak. Let's move to the outside and draw in the body. Start underneath the hat, draw a large oval, going all the way around, come down and then in towards the bottom. It's going to round out the body, go all the way around the right side, go up and then tuck that in underneath the hat. Let's add in the wings, starting from the left side of the body, moving this around, come down and just curl that up just beside the body, and we'll line it up on the right. Do the same thing, going around the opposite direction towards the same height, and then bend that up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the wing coming in towards the body. Let's separate the head from the body with a series of curves going across. We're going to start in the middle. On the left side, draw a half circle, coming down and up. Go over towards the left side, coming down and going up a little bit higher. And we'll add one more on either side, coming down and then up. Let's tuck the legs in underneath the body, leaving a gap in the center. On the left side, we draw 2 straight lines coming down. Line it up on the right. From the inside of the leg, let's draw on the toe coming in and then back out. Let's add 2 more toes on either side. So we're going to start on the left, going out, round this out, and then pull that in. Let's add 1 more, going out, around, and then down towards the ankle. Let's add those tail feathers in behind the body. We're going to start from the side of the hat. Start by going up, come around, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's line that up on the right. Going up, come around, and then in. Let's add another one. Starting back on the left, going around, and then in. Now I just want to add 1 more. Starting from the bottom, going around, and then in toward the side of the wings. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw a Thanksgiving Day turkey. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.